Yes, welcome on this channel, brothers. I have the feeling we are in the disbelief, or I'm in the disbelief phase right now. Look at this. This is exactly disbelief phase here. You see, before we see this massive pump. Man, where I have to move myself here. Before we have before we see this massive pump, we see quick boom dump, and then we see huge boom run up the bull run. And let's check just the chart out. It looks, in my opinion, exactly like this here. The big picture chart. You see here we have this massive pump, and now we are going here in this. We need only this last small dump. This last, you know, this. You know what I mean. Look at this. I mean, we have here, I want to show you something. We have a lot of liquidity here. You know, we have a lot of liquidity here down there, up starting from 57 to 54. We have at 54K, we have the CME gap, but I have something new. Look what I have something new. Bro, look at this. Wait, where I found it. Here. Boom. Open interest. The open interest going through the roof like crazy. And what we see usually, you see when we're reaching here this level of open interest, you see it here, usually we see boom, a dump after, or at least we see here, like here, we had this ready, we had here this open interest getting as high as right now, and at least we had a consolidation. And another point which speaking for this, that we will have at least in the worst case a consolidation in the next days, is that we have in exactly 9 days, in 9 days we have new moon, and on new moon we have usually what we see on new moon we see usually like here you see usually boom, a dump, or like here boom, a dump. So at least I expect we will have a dump. But also what is interesting, we have Fibonacci 0.618. we are, look, oh, bro, the 4 hourly candle, we get rejected like crazy. You see here, look like crazy. And what we see, we're not only getting rejected, but we're forming here a double top. I mean, it's not confirmed yet because this 4 hourly candle has to close, and another one that we can be sure that we are getting rejected. But right now everything looks, bro, I hope I am right. You know why I hope I'm right? Because I closed 2 of my long positions, which are in massive profits of $2,000. I closed them, and I'm right now in $7,000 in loss and $8,700 in loss. But I prepared also orders, limit orders here on IO. I prepared at $1.50 here limit orders on IO. Wait a minute, I show you. Wait, quickly. What's that? Wait a minute. Here we go to IO. Because I want to long it, and I hope that Bitcoin dumps a little bit to 50K approximately, so my limit order gets triggered. Let's make it big. Boom. You see, at $1.50, and it looks, if Bitcoin dumping, it has to dump here at $1.50 because we have here a lot of support, you know. And IO has a small market cap of 200 million approximately. It's a high project. I don't know much about this project. I give a shit about to know a lot of the project, because I don't like most of the projects of altcoins, but it's all about attention. Where the attention goes, there goes the money. Then you have to quickly go in, out, ba ba bam, like your, you know, ba 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 ba, and then what happened? In the best case, you win some money. In the worst case, you lose everything and you have to go to work as cashier on the gas station back again. But it's also not so bad, right? So, I mean, I hope we will see this dump a little bit. I mean, bro, look, my plan is genius, right? And usually what happens with this plan? Everything goes the opposite side, right? Unfortunately. Let's see, will this work out? But right now everything looks perfect. And what we have also to watch, is this Ethereum, by the way. What we have to watch is today the stock market, the S&P 500. We have to watch when it's opening. Will we break through this line? If we will break through this line, this could even be worse for Bitcoin, because if we break through the support line, then it could be that Bitcoin dumping even below 50K. I don't think so, because it has to be black swan event. But if today S&P 500 is going to retest this support line, then it, for me, it means for sure, but for sure, that Bitcoin will close the CME gap at 54K. And look at this chart. This is again Bitcoin, bro. This is again Bitcoin. Look at this. This is the ascending broadening wedge. It's a bullish pattern. And I have another chart also what I want to share with you, bro. I thought I don't have anything to show for you, but 1 minute, bam, and I realized there again so many proofs that we would see in the immediate short term a dump to 50K, approximately 54K. But then obviously massive run. I'm not a bear like somebody wrote. Are you always bearish, bro? I'm not a bear at all. I'm invested everything inside the market. I'm the biggest bull because I'm 90% in a loss. But in the immediate short term, my plan is that we see dump and then pump. Oh, wait a minute. Look at this. This ascending broadening edge, the bullish pattern, the price target is here. The price target is around 100K. But in case we are retesting this ascending broadening edge, it would be exactly at 50K. We would close the CME gap, and they would liquidate all the market makers would grab all the liquidity here down there. Wait a minute. Where was it? It was okay. Anyways, I closed this one, but you saw it in the video when it started, and we would have in the psychology, market psychology, we would have this small how it called, this like, what I mean. This is what we see, because right now we still don't have it. You see, we have this perfectly. It's going down, but it doesn't have this small liquidation before we see this massive pump to the upside. And I found another thing what I want to share with you. So the open interest is high. We have to cool down. You see, the open interest has to cool down here to 70K approximately, that we can have a rally again to the upside. So this is the first thing, but I had something else. Wait a minute. This was on the big picture. Somewhere, where it was. We have the bull flag, by the way. The bull flag is also price target 100K. You know it here. From the bull flag is 100K, the price target. But where I had something, shit, bro. Somewhere I had, wait a minute. I just see it right now. Shit. Do you see this? Fuck, bro. Another proof or indicator that's telling us that we should see a dump. Look at this. The RSI is going up while the price is going down. You never measure the wicks. So this is also a bearish divergence. So it's again speaking for it that we should see dump here at least to the price target of the Fibonacci 55K here. 55K. Again, we would close all CME gap at 54K. For me, everything speaks to we should see one last week, bro. What do you think about it? Thank you very much for watching. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah.